Hi guys. It's hard to find investment properties in Sheridan, Wyoming, and that's where I am right now. I am in one. This is a two-sided townhouse. They are mirrored images of each other. They're attached in the middle, and they have unfinished basements. They'll have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms on each side, with a patio out the back. There can be a deck built out the kitchen here, and they have full mountain views out the whole back of both townhouses. So it's be a great. You could have studio apartments in the basement if you wanted to finish it that way. Have Airbnbs down there. Live in one side of this, rent on the other side. Be pretty awesome setup and look out at the mountains every day while you're eating your breakfast. So if you have any questions about this, you can call me at 307-622-8993 and be sure to subscribe for more videos to come on Sheridan. Have a great